Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Barkamu da dawowa Arewa Forex YT. Sunana Abdulafex aka the King of Northern Sniper Entry. So yau wannan video din na so in nuna maku yadda na yi taking wannan trade din and kuma how I was able to make up to 1 to 28 kamar da muke gani 0.26 risk to reward a wannan trade din. Though trading is still open, ban yi closing nashi ba, but amma akwai accounts na guda daya wanda na yi closing trades in, but amma I'm still holding trade and I'm expecting the market to drop all the way har zuwa nan wanda zai zama cewa maybe it can give me all the way 1 to 47 risk to reward or more than 1 to 47 risk to reward because marketing is in a bullish market before, so yanzu nan naga price ya fara turning and kuma is about to start a new trend into the downside, kuma marketing can drop all the way har zuwa nan wurin nan. So zan yi breaking down how I was able to get into wannan trades wanda the first take profit was somewhere around now in the closing the sun. So this is not an easy trade though. It's come with a lot of losses along the way, but I'm luckily because of the good risk management, the Sonsu, I was able to recover everything, including more profit, at Kenshi. So without further ado, let's get into it so that I can explain the way now for you. So for that, I'm going to choose another Euro USD so that is in explain a change. So let's go with one. So let's delete everything and so let's start from the weekly time frame. So I did an yazo from the weekly time frame and kuma for the past kusan 2 weeks in an selling opportunity a markets in the barama market says much yana failing. I think more than 2 weeks kusan about 3 weeks because the last time the Mukafara the Nafara trading opportunity was time the nigga price I taken out one and liquidity then anon wurin nan. So daga week din nan the market had taken out one weekly time frame swing high din nan na fara looking for selling opportunity wanda idan muka dawo daily time frame zamu ga this is it daga nan wurin nan ya zama cewa week din I have one weekly and a daily time frame liquidity anan wurin nan wanda daga nan ne na fara samu na fara planning kuma making idea of looking for one selling opportunity then. So what happened one week then was markets in Yazo buying taking out liquidity then I was able to get into a trade which is I think somewhere around now. I was able to get into some trade at around somewhere around now, providing me with 1 and 4 hour time frame liquidity level then they can so after I got on a 4 hour time frame liquidity level then 1 week then I took one and trade then on the on the 1 hour time frame. I think I still have the picture. Don't do a picture then again she's saying put in Nashi so that you can see it. So I took one and trade then and at this point somewhere around now where they take one and trade then no wonder I was able to get into one and trade then markets in here dropping. So I can't remember exactly the entry point, but I think it's from 1 week and then before news in the Kenya. Before news and I think I took the trade something like this. And markets in here dropping almost around 1 to 13. Though I can't remember, I'm really sorry, but I know I took the trade somewhere around now, either from the beginning, I know we're not going more from now, when the markets in here dropping. So I was hoping killer one trade in them is the one that is going to push drop all the way to the downside, and as is a mature I can get one opportunity then but my markets and see is a mature so I reversing failing stopping dinner out on break even. So by I stopping dinner out on break even on a daily time frame market I create one swing high then as well, which is still another liquidity level for me. One week in Shima on the 4 hour time frame Nafara looking for another selling opportunity. So I'm not going to cover the reasons for the selling opportunity, because one machine one of method of entry in our area of forex. So there is things we call the CLQDS and the no-go zone. So I saw the CLQDS happening around this region. So once I saw one CLQDS, so first entry dinner was here. First entry dinner was here when the stop loss at 50 points, which is 5 pips scanner. So say market is a be trigger in dinner. Next candle then a drop in haka. So on the next candle, say market nash haka. So say a second entry dinner at 0.3% of one gun box in coffee banachi. Say entry dinner and so 1 week in Shima, I was able to quote one and trading command in Shima I put in picture Nashana Zakogani. So I was able to take one and trade in a higher kind of focus on around 1 to 11 risks to reward. So I was able to move my stop loss to break even. I even secured some profit. So I was expecting and hoping markets can come all the way to this level as my price delivery point. Price in the account. So my first target was here for around 1 to 26. So the second target I was here about 1 to 40 something risks to reward. So then market and say stopping out on with them, stopping in at break even. See markets in the trigger by the pushing to the upside. So we have a series of break evens and on wooden, and after then still on this same week then I was able to take another trade. I think somewhere around now. I take you want to trade Anna in the markets and stopping in and out. So now I take you want to trade Anna wouldn't hurry apart pushing on my favor market and stopping in and out. So Anna wouldn't shima. Now I take you want to trade markets in your fire pushing on my favor. I can remember this is where I took the trade. And then I take in trading with a stop loss of 50 points, which is 5 pips. So market in a higher fire pushing on my favor, then say stopping in out as well from one area. Then so I got stop out, and then so along the way after when break evens then I taken and I took a loss, and I think around this area I took one loss, and then I taken one loss. And then region then and I taking 2 losses, so making it 4 losses in a row. So now I'm a 4 losing trade in a row, but still I didn't give up, because from the higher time frame what's really happened is the bias is still bearish to me, because from the weekly time frame I took out the one major weekly liquidity level then the market and I taken Nash out. So that during that time the last liquidity one day if market should take it, it's definitely going to sell is this one. This is an all-time liquidity level from the weekly time frame, the daily time frame. The Kawana level is so visible. So says I was looking if markets in this way taking out liquidity, then I believe it's going to provide me with a nice trading opportunity. So after taking one in a series of 4 losing trades in a row, at the end of the day markets and sales will say taken out one liquidity then so the market is taking out liquidity, then so I was so excited during that time. So say in an entry so I don't have any entry confirmation on the 4-hour time frame. Say time the there is something which I call a breaker. There's something we call a breaker from the Iron Forest community, and I have my breaker then I have my no-go zone I have my breaker and I have my no-go zone so the first entry dedicated here because this is the candle that caused the breaker, so I have it says my market and I stopping in and out. So I 5 losing trade in a row, so at that point I never give up, so I still have another entry one that the next trade says we tap in and say moving to some almost 1 to 8 rigs to reward. So I want to 8 rigs to reward, and nice securing around 1 to 3. Nice secure 1 to 3 rigs to reward. So say marketing is stopping in and out at 1 to 3 rigs to reward. a wannan area din. So bayan stopping din na 1 to 3 restore in muka duba cikin losses nan da na samu na yi recovering guda uku, so ya rage sora guda uku kenan. So sai market din ya zo ya juya sai taking out a breaking ya sake zuwa above wannan liquidity din nan, inda in muka duba analysis da zan dropping zamu ga I have wannan level din as a liquidity sweep again on the 4-hour time frame. So sannan wurin nan ina da something da yake is called the double bottom, so it's still a liquidity level wurin. This is still a liquidity level, and this time around I have series of liquidity areas from the weekly time frame and from the higher time frame, and around one level din nan zamu ga akwai fair value gap even from the higher time frame. So week din nan abin da ya faru shine da muka zo markets in when market open sai naga price I taken out on the liquidity din. So remember I still have 3 losing trade to recover. So say naga price I take it out on a high them. So say na fara looking for trading opportunity. Sai na fara looking for trading opportunity. So akwai kamar da na ci abin da nake kira da CLQDS, the no goes on, but I'm not going to reveal that. So sai na ga cewa I have a swing high dinner anan, which is the no go zone anan wurin nan. So I have my first entry anan. So market and save is right happening, but because entry din was like this on my gun box hacker, entry dinner was at 0.3%. Then she need first entry dinner. So price be tapping back. Second entry dinner kuma sai zama yana nan wurin nan. Shi ma at 0.3% of the gun box, which is nan wurin kenan. So sai market ya zama bai tapping wannan candle sai zama bai tapping lash in back. So sai maka ga price ya ci gaba da dropping. So I did not panic. I just hold on to see what is going on. So during that time, the one moved in Paru, I have what I call the breaker, which is this. So breaker then happening and I have pending order and I have another pending order at this point. So price it dropping, it should drop in. I have something which makes me to take a trade like this with a 50-point stop loss. Hacker, I'm sorry. So trading and says is stopping in and out. So immediately in stopping in and out, say market in issue which can one zone in say trigger in one trade and then he one pending order then he say market in here triggering nash. So they triggering nash say far rejecting the next is say maka go on candle rejection then daga nan kuma shine sai maka ga price and then you have far dropping to the downside. So at this point market was around 1 to 15 risk to reward. At 1 to 15 stop loss in was somewhere around I think it's somewhere around before they move in night. Okay, sorry, 1 to 15 stop loss in was somewhere around and reason they sign up because of one fair value gap taken. So I expect maybe market can tap into this fair value gap within the night. Then it's going to continue dropping, and that's exactly what happened. Though we tapping into fair value gap number, but we saw one pull back then. After seeing one pull back then the following day during London session, same go on the markets and AI dropping all the way to the downside. When at that point, Zamaga markets and almost 1 to 20.88 rigs to reward. Same with the price and Yafar dropping. I know for around 1 to 25. So I know I have a kind of confirmation one that I was looking maybe to hedge the market a little bit before continuation, but I'm hedging and say failing. So say trading is stopping dinner out. So after it stopped me out, she on and trading a far about the tapia one that kusan around ending of the day, markets in ye closing. I know which I was able to close out one and trade and I comment that on my other account I closed the trade and then for around 1 to 26. Around 1 to 27, sorry, rigs to the word. Then the other trades kuma mature, they are still open and I'm still expecting to see price and maybe from next week they check about a drop in, maybe Zamaga break out of one fair value gap then Zamaga continuation of the drop to the downside, maybe Zua at least one is about 1 to 47 rigs to reward Kokumakela. If possible, if marketing can come all the way to non. So I'll still be trailing my stop loss wanda zuwa nan can give us all the way to 1 to 60. In ya kai har zuwa nan kuma still be stopping them out on break even before around 1 to 82 weeks to the world, I will be happy to hold one and trade in har zuwa wa'innan levels in the scale or in but this is where I close one of my accounts, and then we're securing profits in the sauransu. So I know we're not able to so mu fahimta nan wurin shine, if you are trading, always you need to apply proper risk management. You need to understand, you know, the power of risk management. Nan gane ko idan muka duba nan zamu ga majority of traders na samu nan wurin nan, they are break even trades, but I took kusan 6 losses a nan wurin nan, and mostly trades in our what is 0.2% of my account. So muka duba 0.2% times 6 trades in the I take, then I lose in anan wurin nan, they are just, I lost just 1.2% of my account. Now I lose 1.2%. So one trading and then I winning for around 1 to 27 rigs to reward. Idan muka duba na ce 0.2 times 27, this is around 5.4%. Idan muka minus 1.2% loss down da muke da shi, I still end up with around 4.2% of my account. So idan muka duba za mu ga this is a very big buffer on this is a mature. We can use 4% in to even secure more trade. With 4% in we can increase our risks on our next trade. We can just keep everything smoothly. Even if we are going to have like 10 losing trades in a row, but I'm gonna add the 4% in number. I'm gonna add the 4% in number. But I'm applying proper risk management and following rules now. Maybe even if we are going to encounter another losses from this 4%, maybe me losing, let's say 5 trade, which is going to be like minus 1%, we'll still have like 3.2%. And imagine that Makara Sam want to trade on the day moving like 1 to 20, at least 1 to 20 weeks to the world, which is going to give us like 4% Kenan. So then look at 3.2, then look at plus 4, maybe another trade. This is like 7.2. So Zamagachi, we are losing, we are encountering one losses in number, because we have a very good risk management account now is still growing and we are still making profit. And if you look at this, then look at 0.2 then times 27. Comment the market we made 5.4, then we minus 1.2% losses the market taking, which is 4.2. You then can add a pro firm account. Let's say this is a $5,000 challenge account. You know, 4.2% in market times 50, which is 1%. You are going to make like $210. You can add a 50K account, which is a $500 per percentage times 4.2. You are going to make like $2,000. Then can add 100K, which is 1,000 times 4.2. You are going to make like $4,200 on one trade. So risk management is very important, and this is a key one. This is a mature. It's going to help us achieve, you know, success at the end of the day. So when I shine and then some taking one and trades, and I hope I will explain and it's pretty clear. Kuma is you guys are going to learn a lot, you know, from it. So if you find this video very interesting and very helpful, and you are not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then Kuma already are a subscriber. Like the video if you find it educative and Kuma interesting. Then you know you can share it. Kuma drop any comments. So you want about kind of videos just you can drop any comment about the video or anything you want me to do for you guys, and inshallah I'll check it and I will be there to do it for you guys, inshallah. So ni Abdul FX